from an idea or a concept to an actual fabric in about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. So here, fine texture fabric. So what I'm going to do is we'll start with a new design. Now I have the fabric here. I feel the count and construction of the fabric. I feel it's a very fine count fabric, so I'm going to modify the construction. Now to start off, we can start with a white. There's a white here. Actually search a Pantone by typing the number of a Pantone like 19-0000. So I get a look around and look for a color, a base color which is orangish, and then we go for the next color. I think this one, and then a navy. So I'm picking up colors. I'm going to use a scale to measure the design. See, here I can define how I want to put my design, in centimeters or in inches. I'll say in centimeters. Right here, measure again. So this is roughly about 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter of this, and then again 0.3 centimeter of white. Then I see here again, this is almost 0.3 centimeter blue. So here's my blue. So this is more or less our design. Okay, the warp we have created. Now I wanna go and click here and see how it turns out as a check. From the idea to the actual wearable fabric in under 5 minutes. Now we're gonna do some more fun. Okay, let's say we have this design. But the same design, it can be turned into a different design quickly. Automatic design generation AI tool, where we define the parameters, and I hit this button. Okay, here we go. I'm getting multiple designs in just a matter of seconds. So your idea, you've put in your idea, now you are creating more. Now if you want to go for block checks, you can define the stripe width a little bit wider, and you get block checks. You don't want regular, you turn off regular. You get window pane checks. Automize my weave. I want to automize both warp and weft. 48, 48. Okay, I want to go for a mirror repeat. Here we go. See, we can see it in black and white. I'll zoom it up for you. The system is generating weaves on its own. Now I can change the steps 2 to 4, 1 to 4, 2 copy, 2 skip, and the motif style will change. And this is all generated automatically. The best part is you don't have to create everything from scratch. It can be done like this, and then you can, if you want, you can make minor adjustments. Like for example, I can take this pencil tool and do a little adjustment like this here, giving it a binding. See, I'm giving a binding here, and I just click this button and it's managed. And this is how the fabric is going to look. So to create the color options for the same design, we have a very good AI based tool which will allow you to generate colorways from your palette. So for that, you go here and say I want to automize colorway. You say use my palette, and here we go. You can stop it. Okay, there we are. All these designs you can view together here. So all the designs, all the color options you can see here very clearly. Whatever you like, whatever you don't like, you can simply right click, delete, right click, delete, and in under 5 minutes, and we can finally output as a production layout or a presentation layout to your customers by simply defining the parameters. All designs, all colorways on a single page. You can save this as a PDF and send it to your customer. You can see we were able to replicate this design quickly under 5 minutes into a wearable, producible fabric. Not only that, we were able to convert design more creatively. We got more options by using the automation of auto design creation and auto weave creation, which helped us to get a very beautiful design output like this.